Okay, this is the popcorn that my husband wants. They got some in this store. I'm about to get 3 bags. I'm about to get him 4 bags. Cause he love this popcorn. Okay, y'all, I'm in the dollar store. I came to get this right here. Yes, I did. Cause it's expensive on the other on the grocery store. Yep. Okay, I think I'm leaving now. This is a dollar store trip, which I'm getting what I need to get. Taco shell? What taco shell? How about them burrito bread? Let me see. You think these some good burrito bread? Uh-oh.
They look good.
I don't know. I'll get them from the store, I guess. All right, y'all. This is just my little Dollar Tree trip. Coming to get some little Dollar Tree stuff. Huh? I don't know why my daughter be wanting some Lay's, Pringle chip, and some popcorn.
Does he want this one?
No, he got the one. He want the one that I got. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm about to go. That's it. Y'all know I don't do no long video. Later, y'all. Okay. It's sharing with my grocery haul I got from where? Food for Less. And I got some things from Ralph's. Y'all might call it Kroger in your area. But I got some radishes, some green lettuce. This is going to be a sloppy little share. I got some bananas, 4 of them, with some more banana bread. I got some, what's this, cilantro. I'm about to make some tacos. And I got some celery, a few green onions. Y'all can see a few green onions. I got some bell peppers, some white onions. Y'all see them. What else I got? Oh, let me come back. Hey, wait, I'm gonna do this right quick. I got some onions. I bought some yellow onions right here. Some yellow onions. How many pounds is it? 3 pounds. 3 pounds yellow onions. I'm about to wash this stuff. Oh, okay. My hand got a freaking cramp in it. Okay. And I got Anthony's. I guess it's a pound and needed 1 pound. Anthony large elbow noodle. I got like 3 bags of these. So when I make my chili mac, I didn't have no more elbow macaroni. So that's the elbow macaroni. And one last, oh, really? One last thing, if I can get to it. Oh, get out the way. Oh, I almost forgot. I did get this. I got a couple of jars of Ortega taco sauce. Oh, goodness, my hand got a bad cramp. And I got some Calidad burrito bread, 2 pounds, it's a lot. Quesadillas, fajitas, burritos, and I got some Mission flour tortillas, 20 of them for fajitas, quesadillas, tacos, anything we like. So yeah, that's included in this grocery haul. Okay, hold up. Okay, I also picked up some pork ribs. This is 2 slabs from Food for Less. I'm going to trim them, clean them, prep them, get them ready for the barbecue pit. I usually cook them in the oven, but I want these babies on the pit. I want that grease frying and dropping all over the place and getting these things tasting like I remember them. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Big old giant pack of pork spare ribs. Yeah, I love my pork. Yeah, I love meat. I eat meat. I continue to eat meat. Even though I'm old, I still love meat. I need my energy because I done ran out of it. Okay, my husband did this haul. He also picked up, this is a on digital coupon for Food for Less. You get them for $2.49 with the digital coupon. So we got 5 packs of the Hillshire kielbasa. We love us some kielbasa. And don't you know it's so extra good when you put it on the grill. These are 14-ounce packages. So we got, let me see, I think he got two Polish kielbasas. Yum yum. Diet approved. Sure is. And I think we got 2 of the all of these is 14-ounce packages of the Hillshire Farm smoked sausages. We got 2 of those. Here's the other one. And also, I think regular they was $3 something, like almost $4. Okay, no, we got 3 packs of the Polsha kielbasa Hillshire and 2 packs of the what did I say? The smoked sausage one. Yum yum on the grill. I wish I had a tiny grill because Super Bowl, my husband, he gonna do them hot wings and some fish and fries, probably corn on the cob, and make me a small potato salad because I got them red potatoes. I don't want them to go bad. I gotta cook them. Then we also got some Far West Meats, Louisiana brand, mild hot links. Because somebody can't take the hot. Yeah, this is a 32-ounce package. What they say? 2 pounds. Good, 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 good. So that's some meat right there. I also picked up, well, I got it only doing so much in this sink. I got to come back and show y'all the rest. You guys, I also got 3 packs of the $1.99 a pound chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast fillets with, I don't know why they say with rib meat. And I got them a few packs in the $8 range. And I'm cubing them. And I'm going to, separate the meat, put it in some freezer bags. I need to be using my, but that's all right. We eat it fast. I need to grind up some of this meat for ground chicken. Like I say, I got 3 of these things, 3 of these chicken breasts. And in here, this is like about 3 chicken breasts made a whole bunch of meat. So we're gonna create several dishes using chicken breast meat. Like I say, I'm gonna grind some up, use it as cubes, using all kind of delicious chicken meals.